Okay, this is that field I just videoed. This is the creek that was to the right from the perspective I was filming. I think that's right. Well, anyway, it's one of the creeks. And it might be the one to the left, depending on which direction I was filming. But anyway, it's one of the creeks. It goes down, merges with the other creek. But it's just so calming and soothing just to sit here and just listen to the water making the noise that it makes. It just gives you just a peacefulness and calmness just to sit here and listen to it. I hope it picks up on the camera microphone.